Bahlali injalo-ke indaba nanga umkhwanazi phambi kwethu befuna ukumkeqa sibhekile asikwazi phela ukuthula sibukele kudlalwa ngumuntu sikhona lo muntu lo wavikela ubaba kushubile kukubi kabi so nampa-ke osomnotho umnotho wabensundu uthi wenza imarch ngoLwesihlanu evikela umkhwanazi ithi hands of umkhwanazi imashi ehlukene kabili ithi justice for Cece ngapha ithi hands of umkhwanazi so mina nje ngithule ngicanga umkhwanazi enkandla hey mina ngangilindele ukuthi kuzobe kuvalwe ngezihlahla enkandla khona la kwase sekuphunya khona umlalelo ukuthi hey labantu abagcwele lapha ya if nje kube kwathi inkento yabadedelwe hey baphindiselwe kuNkulunkulu wabo umkhwanazi wathi yena he serves and protects yabo lokho that is why ke kumele ukuthi nathi sithi protect him that man serves us and he protects us so if uthina sihlule ukumprotect ayisibe sonakele kumele zame ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi sinqabe nomkhwanazi ngoba le attack le is not an attack on umkhwanazi. It's an attack kuthina sonke because you understand ukuthi mase kuthiwa kusuka umkhwanazi lapha ya bazovele bafake isiqhetseba nje isigebengu sokuqala sokugcina and futhi bathule bayambuka ngoba belibele bemnikeza ama challenges ngoba bayambona ukuthi uNtswembu bayambona ukuthi ekhondo lugcoba hamba nalo and bayabuka ukuthi we lele ngenzeka ibe minister ibe yini yonke into enkulu lapha emaphoyiseni. Yabona umkhwanazi uzokunikeza leya aura ka Ibrahim. Abo Ibrahim Traore phela obviously ke yena uthe kuba heightened but umkhwanazi when it comes to bravery hayi mfana nokumela iqiniso hambolala mfana. That is why ke mina ngiyabathanda futhi abantu abamela iqiniso ngisho ngabe kuthi umuntu umyedwa mayilimele nje iqiniso noma ngabe kuthi usele wedwa it's fine because iqiniso there's something beautiful about it doesn't change alishintshwa amamoods ukuthi wena usemudini noma ukhe emudini yalo alishintshwa ukuthi uthanda ukulizwa noma uthanda ukulizwa alishintshwa ukuthi usul acceptile noma ukakali accept iqiniso remains the same it does not change just because wena you've got issues with it so umuntu ukomela iqiniso umuntu lo kumele sime naye ngaso sonke isikhathi as ama-Africa mangabe nje umele umuntu omnyama uvikela umuntu omnyama we have to be behind you every time umuntu ovikela umuntu omnyama eba attacked we must gather around that person sibe ludongo oluzomvikela kwababi angazi noma ngiyenza sense angifuni lutho ngomkhwanazi lo yabhuti loyana ngiyazi basazothi wenzeni basazoke bamzame bathi mhlawumbe utholakale ini nama drugs bamzama bathi udlwengulile basazomzama ngayo yonke into so I hope ukuthi naye lapha khona kodwa uyambona ukuthi uqonde ethu njengosi lomkhonto lo yabhuti so I hope ukuthi naye lapha khona yonke into ekhime ngomumo ngoba kuningi ukusazoza his way usazoshawa nje mfethu futhi ke mangabe ukuthi you've decided ukuthi you want to stand for umuntu omnyama you want to vikela umuntu omnyama you must know ukuthi you will be a target at some point mhlambe njengamanje you are still small fries awukakabi i target but one day you will become a target if kukuthi uqhubha ngaloshuni ukuvikela abantu abamnyama trust me akumele ukuthi ungene la ungakabi ready mentally funela ungene usune show ukuthi uyazazi uzokwenzani and futhi ngeke uzamazamaziseke because bazokuzamazamisa bazokunyakazisa bazobheka ama weaknesses akho they're going to try to bring you down to their size. They're going to try and dim your light, which is what they're trying to do to Mkhwanazi, and we won't allow them. Not on our watch. We are not our grandfathers, Tin. We are not our grandparents. We're not our ancestors. Daba ukuhlonipha umbhedo nje asiyenzi. Yabo. Mangabe ubhedo uyabheda, you must know that.